What's going on, people? How you doing today? I'm a little excited right now because you saw the title of the video. I am going to be comparing a $27 quick release that I bought off of eBay to the Energy Gen 2.5 that I also purchased. I got that from Amazon. So I was literally just making a list about all the mods I've done under the hood, and I was going to do that, and the mail came. And in the mail was this right here. However, what was mailed, you see that name? That is my Chinese cheap eBay quick release. And there is nothing cheap about it. I know you guys can't tell by just watching the video, but the weight of this thing, one, is solid. It weighs a little bit less than this, but this has more stuff. Like if we compare them side by side, you can see the Energy is just a pinch taller than the Sparko. Now, I don't know if this is genuine. I mean, I don't see how they're making fake Sparko boxes. Like, I think this is a legitimate Sparko quick release that I got for $27 on eBay. This thickness difference. This one looks a little better, but is it $85 better than this one? Let's attach it to the wheel, go put it on the car, and take it for a little ride. So we have the Sparko, also known as the $27 cheap quick release, installed onto my Energy hub. And I hope that's a good angle for the camera. It's a little bit bigger as far as total circumference. There's a little lip there, but I think it looks good because I wanted to do a chrome trim around each one of my gauges. Let's see how it goes on. This is how it looks on the wheel. I think it looks decent. Pull it up. Okay, so I'm an idiot. I put the wheel on backwards onto my quick release. So, but we can still get an idea of how, if it feels loose or there's any movement or anything like that. I definitely won't be leaving it on like this. So that Energy quick release is pretty well built. I mean, there's not a lot of play. I can hear a little bit of noise or added whatever, and there is some play. See that? So that Energy quick release is, as soon as you touch the wheel and move it at all, it responds. So that's a huge letdown. Evasive maneuvers. Yeah, there's some play. I mean, it does, obviously you can see my car is turning a little, but that right there that's already, like, if this were my permanent finished product, even though the wheel's upside down, that extra noise and the little bit of play gives this quick release a thumbs down for me. I don't even need to go get into boost. So So here I am back down in the secret layer, and I have the energy hub put back on, and I guess what it comes down to is you get what you pay for. You know, I was kind of excited, really hoping that I found something that, you know, wouldn't be as expensive and still just as good, but when it comes down to how it actually functions, even though it feels better, it looks just as good, at the end of the day, you saw the extra play in the steering wheel, and at a high rate of speed, or forget it, even 5 miles an hour, you know, this is how we control the vehicle. So this is not an area to cheap out on. I definitely would not recommend going the cheap route on this. Wait a little longer, save that extra money, and get the NRG hub over this cheesy eBay one. Actually, it's not really that cheesy. It does look pretty good, but it just don't function right. Thank you for tuning in. If this is the first time you stop by, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button. Also, there's going to be a new vehicle coming to the channel, and let me just give you guys a little hint as to what that might be. Tune in for tomorrow's video. I am going to go through a complete mod list on the car, how much it costs. Somebody asked me at the show this past weekend, how much did it cost to do all this? And to be honest, I really couldn't give an answer. So I figured I'd go over that with you guys also, and show you what it was before to where it is now, and also what are my future plans. You know, what's going to be coming next on the small side, what are the big things happening. So tons of stuff to look forward to. Again, smash that like button, hit the subscribe. Until tomorrow, keep it custom.